Let's talk about the shoeboard setting. The shoeboard setting is actually used more for our shoe cabinets because some doors in our community may be narrow. At this time, we may need to tilt the partition inside, otherwise our shoes cannot be put in, right? So how can we make our boards tilt quickly? At this time, we can select the boards that need to be tilted. After selecting, we can right-click and there will be a shoeboard setting. There is a shoeboard setting and we just input the corresponding angle and then how many degrees it has a length that remains unchanged after rotation. What does it mean that the length remains unchanged after rotation? It means that after I rotate it, right, you can see that there will be a little gap in front of it. There will be a little gap, which means that the board is shorter, right? Or is there another way? That is, if there is a way to make the length adapt after rotation, then it will not have this problem. It is equivalent to following this board because the board is shrunk inwards and because the door is a built-in door and there are three numbers, that is, we have a front reserve and a rear reserve below. What does it mean? It means that if the board is tilted, there will be a dead corner behind it. If I don't reserve it, it will have a dead corner, right? It will be difficult to clean when we clean it. So what should I do? I reserve 20 square meters behind it, right? If I reserve 20 square meters, will the dirt on our shoes come directly from the floor? Then it slides down. Then this is the corresponding function of our indentation. It directly reserves a 20-degree distance at the back. Then this is the setting of our shoe plate. For example, our layer plate is tilted up and down, right? For example, our side plate is actually tilted left and right. So if I don't want this, right? I want my side plate to be tilted like that, right? That's it. Then I can use this to draw. We can change it by drawing a standard diagram, a tilted direction. If I choose the side panel at this time, if I tilt it, right? That is the direction we want, right? Or we can use our back panel. The back panel is equivalent to a front to back tilt. It is tilted like this, then the layer is tilted up and down. Then this is our shoeboard setting. Shoeboard setting,